You guys, we have a very special guest today. She is one of my favorite makeup artists. She has been doing this now 3.5 years. Her name is Scarlett Stuber, and she is going to give me a makeover, right? Can you tell them what you're gonna do? Are you gonna do a little makeover for me?
Yeah.
We're gonna start with our foundation. She's ready. So we're gonna be using, let's see, we're gonna be using Youth Cream Ficto Pigment from Juice Beauty. She's going organic. Okay, we're gonna do this all over the face. I love the brush you're using. Is it going on smoothly? Beautiful. Now make sure and get a little bit more over here. Don't forget about underneath. Oh, a little more, all right. Perfect. She always likes to make sure she really blends.
I did it
I'm sorry. She likes to make sure she blends. She can be a little bossy. Okay. Okay, excellent. Is that blended really well? Oh, we're jumping to the eyes. So we're using a sparkle glitter, and it is Heavy Metal by Urban Decay. All right. We're gonna go over the whole eye.
Other one.
Okay. Other eye. Using the Heavy Metal Urban Decay in pink glitter. Perfect. Love it so much. Oh, beautiful. So we're gonna go over the whole base of the eye, as you can see. Okay, gorge. Okay, next is your eyeshadows. This is one of her favorite go-to palettes, along with Mom. And she's gonna be using the color, I'm sorry, oh, gentle, all right, Lumbra on the eyes.
On top here.
She's gonna go on top of the sparkle just to give it that dramatic look. She likes red tones as well, a little sparkle. Rose gold is her favorite color. Oh, now we're going for a little scorch and a little Lumbra. Perfect.
Wait.
This is one of her favorite palettes. Right, next, I'm thinking we should go for, oh, a little extra sparkle. Okay, more sparkle on the eyes. All right, on the eye. Beautiful. Where do you think we're going in this look, Scarlett? We're going out to dinner?
Other.
Other eye. All right, I'm thinking we need a little bit of a blush. A little goes a long way, okay? Perfect, you don't have to dig it with your nail. No, just, yeah, perfect.
Where?
On the cheeks. Okay, perfect. Oh, right, okay. Okay,
Lipstick.
so, lipstick, all right. We're going for, what is this? This is Dita Fonteese. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a backstage me. Okay, let's go. All right. Okay. Oh, you want to pull out? Okay, let's. Okay. Good girl. Like I taught ya. Nope, not like I taught you. Okay. I really love the color. Okay, so this is one of her favorite highlighting palette from Hourglass. It's the Ambient, very pretty. She likes to use all 6 colors at once. Oh, let's just use all of them. Okay. I really like this look. All right, what's left? Okay, you wanna do like, all right. Let's see what,
No.
oh, I'm sorry, all right. Well, nope, all right. What about, oh, I like this look. Okay. Nope. This is another lip. This one? You like this one?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go ahead and use our pink that we like. This one.
No.
Okay, what else would you like? Any other colors? Thinking, oh, I love this color too. That's pretty. Okay. This is Fenty, Riri, little Rihanna. Okay, we don't have to go all the way out though, because it'll break. All right. Two-tone. It's called Ombre by Scar, aka Fenty. Rihanna. Okay, what else do we need? I think we're good.
No, Mama.
Can I do your makeup now?
No, Mama.
Can I just a little bit of sparkle on you?
No, I want this.
No? Oh, Lord. That's dangerous. Oh. Okay.
I can't do it.
That's okay. We'll try to learn later. All right. Oh, I think we're getting close.
What's this?
Purple lips or blush. Love. Okay. Lips.
Hey.
Hey.
This is not lips.
Lip pencil. Can you go all the way around? Perfect.
Can I do one?
Oh, all right.
Wait, no. This one.
Okay. What are you drawing there, sweetie? The sun? Oh,
Spider?
a spider. Oh, you're doing a baby spider? Oh, that is so pretty. Anything else?
Ah!
That is really pretty.
Not yet.
Not yet? All right. Think this is a good one?
Yeah.
Okay, so our last product, it's a CoverGirl product. Really good. It's got a little shimmer in it. Do it on the eyes or the lip. Excuse you. Excuse me. Oh, not sure that goes in there, but anyway. Oh, okay, can I do your makeup a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now we're gonna do a little bit of sparkle to match me. Okay, here, let me do a little sparkle. Sparkle, a little sparkle. Oh, great. You want this color too? All right. A little orange on the lip.
Mama, I want to
Okay.
do this one.
Oh, and this one too.
No, I want this one.
Okay, do a little there.
Mama, I want this.
This one right here. This one's
Yeah.
this one. You want this one? It's
I
beautiful.
want this too. I want to do. I want to do this one.
Oh, okay. Okay. This is our lip liner.
I
This
want
is
a
NARS.
spider and a bat. A bat and a spider.
A spider and a bat. Spider. All right. Let's see. And a bat. I'm not sure how you draw a bat. I think we look good, don't you?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. You wanna look at yourself? Beautiful.
But if you didn't do a bat.
I did. It's a good bat. It's a hot pink bat. Anything else you want? You want another little highlight or anything?
I want a bat.
Okay, let me see if I can draw a better bat. Do you want it filled in? Okay. Oh, you want the real red? No, okay. NARS.
Yuck!
It's okay.
Yeah!
This is her final look. This is her favorite red by NARS. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, and we'll definitely make sure and give you all the products that Scarlett and I love at the bottom. Can you give a kiss? Mwah! Mwah! Gotta give a kiss. Mwah!